In this video, we are going to learn how to add numbers in base 2. Alright, and numbers in base 2, they consist of only 0 and 1. You cannot find 2 in base 2 number, and you cannot find 5, 3, 6, 4 in base 2 number. You can only see 0 and 1 in base 2 number. Alright, so and we have these examples that we are going to use to learn how to add numbers in base 2. So let's go. This is 1. If add 1 to 1, we are going to have 1, 0. Yes, 1, 0, because 2 in base 2 is 1, 0. And if you don't know how to count numbers in base 2, you can check the last video I posted where I showed you how to count numbers in base 2. Alright, so since it is 1, 0, we are going to write 0. This one, we are going to add it to this particular one. We will still have 1, 0, write 0, carry 1, add it here. It will give us 1, 0, we write 0, carry 1, add it to this one, it will give us 1, 0. Then when we add it to this particular one, we have 1, 1. Alright, now let's go over to the other one. Add 1 to this one, we'll get 1, 0. So we're going to write 0. Then this one, we will carry it over to this particular one. When we add it to this one, we're going to have 1, 0, we write 0. Then the one that is at the back, we will carry it over to this one. When we add it, we are going to have 1, 0. So we write 0, carry 1. Add it to this one, we have 1, 0. Add it to this particular one, we are going to have 1, 1. We're going to write 1, carry 1. Add it to here to give us 1, 0. Now, I want you to do this particular one and comment your answer at the comment section. I'm going to check it and mark you if you get it right or wrong. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, do well to subscribe so that you are going to be getting new videos that I will be uploading.